Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla! Blessed, my people. Dancehall skilla here again. Manners and respect. My people, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a driver who was operating a motor vehicle had been robbed by a group of persons. Now, my people, I got the understanding that the driver who you can see in the video went to a location to pick up at least 2 persons with the motor vehicle. I assume that the driver went to the location to pick up and transport at least 2 persons. And then the driver had been robbed by a group of persons. The motor vehicle that the driver was driving had been approached by a group of persons who robbed the driver. If you look at the video carefully, you can see at least one person holding an object that looks like a gun. I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly where the video had been recorded. However, when I listen to an accent that at least one person used to talk in the video, that made me assume as to which country the video might have been recorded in. Some of the things that I saw happen in this video is really shocking in my point of view. See, the driver of the motor vehicle had been assaulted during subscribers. The driver of the motor vehicle had been hit by at least one person. In my point of view, the video shows when a person hit the driver with the object that looks like a gun. However, the driver was somehow able to escape from those robbers or those thieves by driving the motor vehicle for your subscribers. One of the reasons why I'm presenting this video is to help bring an awareness. And I want to say this to each and every motorist, especially motorists who provides transportation services. Please be very careful of where you go when it comes on to driving a motor vehicle and to go and pick up anyone or to do certain business or whatever. Just be careful, alright? Another reason why I'm presenting this video to you is because the video itself is being talked about on social media. I want you to look and listen to this video and tell me what you think about a situation like this. Oh, and please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me, people. Alright, so this part of the video basically shows the motorist driving the motor vehicle going to a certain location. You understand me? Again, I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where the video is recorded. Just such I've made that very clear. Alright, so this part of the video is going to show the motorist driving the motor vehicle for a certain amount of time. You understand? And then you're going to see where the motorist reached to a certain location and, you know, a certain amount of persons approach the motor vehicle. Alright. So, give it a little more time. Listen, enough time of people, I think about them kind of things, you know, when I see some people drive motor vehicles and provide transportation services and them things, I think about them kind of things, you know. Well, hopefully this video can bring some form of awareness. See? So, it look like the person reach a certain location based on what you see in the video now. Look at this now.
I don't know what I'm thinking of. Please, Mama. Mama, please, can we go, please? I'm not comfortable in this bed, please. Nah, please.
Yeah. Now, if you look, you can see something in the driver's lap right this way.
We're not taking 3 people.
Listen.
How many people is taking?
This Uber go only for 2 people.
How much is it going to be?
No, it's far. Where are we going? Worcester. It's far.
How much is it going to be?
I can't take 2 people. This is Uber go. Only take 2.
No, that's
See me talk about? Watch it. This,
Everything. Boom, everything. Boom, boom, boom. Everything. Boom.
really a horrible situation, you people.
I'm corporate. I'm cooperating. Yes, I'm cooperating. I'm cooperating. Yes, I'm cooperating. I'm cooperating. I'm cooperating. I'm not calling anyone. Okay, could you feel
Horrible situation.
Sorry.
Now, the driver was
Anything.
able to get away from them. Yeah, this is what I said.
I collaborate.
The whole situation was really
The film for what?
The whole situation
I call the film. Okay, the film.
said the driver was able to get away from those persons. The situation was totally
No, I'm forgetting. So, listen, this is the film. It's 2011. 2011. What I can't hear you, but what did you say? Say again. What did you say again? No, I think I didn't say anything, bro.
No, me like that driver, you know. And no point, me not go back at that day, place, no time. And me I make sure some police, know about this. Me I make sure some make a report to the nearest police station. See what I say? I mean, the whole thing, well, not the whole thing. Robbery had been caught on video and so forth, and certain things had been caught on the camera. Me I make sure the police see that. It really and truly, it's a bad situation. When we see another video there, you see? Now, more I say this to each and every one, you see? It no matter where certain things happen out there in the world, see? Don't look at it and say, oh, it happened over there, so right. Let me tell you something. Things that happen other places out there in the world can help you to be aware of certain situations and you can learn from it. See? That's why me talk about situations and incidents and issues and things that happen basically throughout the world at times. You see me? Yes, I'm a Jamaican, but that don't mean say just because I'm a Jamaican, me not talk about certain things. No, me talk about certain things that happen right throughout the world because me can learn from those things and you can learn from those things too. That type of situation they set away. I know that you have some people who might be, and just to make it be very clear, viewers and subscribers, even though the video shows certain things that happened, I did not get any confirmed information as to what the driver of the motor vehicle might have been robbed of or what those robbers might have made off with. I mean, I can only imagine how that person feel. See, people should work for what they want. Work for it. If you get it as a gift, fine. But what I saw happen in that video to the driver of that motor vehicle was horrible. Totally not okay. None at all. Not at all. See, it really and truly was a bad situation. See, yeah, so big up and respect to all of my viewers and subscribers worldwide. So let me know what you think about a situation like that, viewers and subscribers. I really and truly hope that that video can help bring some form of awareness. That situation really and truly look away. Alright, here's where I'm going to leave it. And if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla.